Hello, this is a technical analysis for Tesla. We're looking at the weekly time frame, and what I see here is head and shoulders. This is a very bearish pattern. On the weekly, it should be quite reliable, assuming that I am correct in the pattern recognition and assuming that the setup plays out, because setups are something that play out more than 50% of the chance if they're reliable, and the more they're reliable they are, the higher the chances. Head and shoulders is considered a fairly a reliable pattern, and we'll be looking here at also the volume that is going down, that is reaffirming the pattern. We see that the buying volume is declining. Here, for example, with the right shoulder, if buyers were thinking that, hey, this is a really good price, it's about uh, 30% or so, 20%, 30% of down below the all time high, why not buy it? Well, look at this gap here between the moving average of the volume, the blue line, and the actual buy volume. So buyers are not interested, and we also have here a triple top. The patterns are never perfect, almost never, and this head and shoulders is also one of them. So here we have a bit of a complex head with the triple top formation also coming into play. Uh, Here we have a bit of a breakdown. This was a quick trap of the bulls with this green bar, but soon we also had earnings recently. The earnings reaction, the stock's reaction to the earnings reaffirmed the bearish price action. If the smart money insiders and so forth, and Wall Street and so forth, retailers, institutions, uh, if they would have liked the valuation of Tesla post the recent earnings, we would have seen price react differently. So whether a report is good or not, you see that from the reaction of the stock and not from the revenue and EPS headlines, and even not the forecast. The reaction to the stock here was negative, and it looks to me that we have here a gap all the way from November 2020, and it's at 163.20. And we will probably be going there, in my humble opinion. We've also got this 167.26, which is the open of this weekly candle at the end of November 2020. And basically, I think if you were contemplating whether to buy Tesla or not, this is not the time. I've said that also on Forex Live after the earnings. Even if we're like a 210, 215, I was saying it's going to be trapping around the 200, and don't even dare buy before 190, 191. And even then, if you buy, which I don't think you should right now because we also have more information, if you buy, as I mentioned, then start gradually scaling in and leaving a lot more of the budget at lower prices. And if you want to see, you can type into Google technical analysis Tesla Forex Live, and you can check out that post. Are we able to go up to test and then go back again? For sure. Okay, but here we already had that bit of a retest. It looks like now we're just going down. Buyers have lost hope with the 200 round number. A lot of people were buying there. Algos were also shaking out buyers and sellers around that number. And now it seems to me, as mentioned, that the magnet, technically, magnet being a price that enough influencers, enough participants are looking at. So if they believe it'll go there, there's more chance of that reality coming into play. Is at around 163. Trade Tesla at your own risk. Return to Forex Live for some interesting perspectives, hopefully some original ones, and have a good week. Thank you.